We've had a product for a very long time, well established, well received in the market, sort of reaching the end of its lifetime. And we did some research with some focus groups, consumers, got some very interesting feedback in terms of how their needs have changed in that time. And so we're really looking at updating the product, leveraging what we've done in the past, but sort of something that we can move forward with to satisfy those needs.
This project was really important to us because we did a substantial piece of research on showering, and particularly speaking to our consumers, not only our consumers but a lot of our channel resellers and trades as well. The overwhelming feedback that came back from our customers was around a storage solution in the shower. We already had a project underway that we were aware of to improve and to modernise the aesthetic. We then listened to what our customers told us and what their changing needs in the bathroom were.
We chose to work with Blender for a couple of reasons. Firstly, they came highly recommended from a very trusted associate, so that was always a good start. But then once the team came in and met us, Ollie and Evan, I think, on the first meeting, it was very clear that they quickly developed a very good understanding of our business and our needs, what we were trying to do with this project and this product. So we felt very, very comfortable taking the next step. I think the biggest challenge for us with this project was taking our existing product, which had been so successful for so many years, and reinventing it and reimagining it for the future. Quite a lot of risk around that, so we'd be very, very careful with this project that we delivered the absolute best product.
So the most important thing for us to deliver is a sum of all of the things that our customers were asking us for, which is a modern, unique storage unit that delivers to the needs of the family today. Some of the things that we're most proud about is that we've been able to tick the box of everything we've been asked for. We have the shaving shelf, we have the overheight shelves so parents can keep their expensive products at height. We have beautiful discreet hangers and hooks hidden within the shelves to keep the shower tidy. And best of all of those shelves are easily removed, popped into the dishwasher for a thorough clean, and then they go back into the unit. So I'm really confident and really happy that we're delivering all of the things that our customers asked us for, that they're looking for in a new storage unit.
Part of the process that we saw as really important was the prototyping phase, especially the early prototyping. The guys at Blender put together some very simple, straightforward foam and card prototypes that they brought back here. We evaluated with the team, tore them apart, redesigned them, reformatted them, and it really helped us move forward with confidence to the next concept development stage.
This has had a really good impact on our business, both internally and externally. We've had a really excited team of people all working together on a solution that we really believe in. And what we've seen from the feedback that we've had from both our trade and from our customers is that they love this product because what it shows them is that Englefield is once again leading from the front with an innovative solution that really is dedicated to family and the changing needs of the way that they use their bathrooms today.
We're very pleased with the end result. In fact, we're very passionate about the product we've ended up with. It's met the brief, it's exceeded the brief. It's been really enjoyable, especially for the product engineering team. I think we felt an affinity for the team at Blender. They're more like an extension of our team here. It's a small team. It was really great to be able to work with Blender and leverage their expertise, their skills, their insights. And I think being involved with the team at Blender, working amongst our core team here, opened our eyes a bit for the wider business, and yeah, certainly given everyone a better appreciation for the design of the process.